Happy Saturday, y'all. Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. Now, it is raining. It is raining. Today is June. Oh, by the way, Happy New Month. I don't even know if this is the first video of June month. I don't think so. No, it's not, because I haven't uploaded that one yet. But let me officially say welcome new month. Welcome June. Welcome to the 6th month of the year. We're half a year into the year. I'm not gonna say that's crazy because I've been watching the days go by and I'm like, Kerry, what's going on? What is going on? But anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I am here doing my hair. I did pull out the crochet braid that I got. And I was supposed to go to cricket today. So there's cricket playing at Savannah Park. And I tried putting my hair in one and adding this here at the end. And my hair was, let's just say my hair quality right now is terrible. I cannot leave it out. I can't show it. I need to do a moisture something. Like I need moisture in my hair. My hair is so dry and brittled. I'm going to be doing, when I pull this sewing out, I'm going to be doing an egg, and I'm gonna use egg oils, aloe vera. I'm gonna be using those in my hair like as a mask. Yeah, I probably need to go to a specialist. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna probably need to go to a specialist so they can like figure out my hair. But I'm gonna give myself to the end of the year. If it's not working, the products are not good, I'm just gonna go to a hair specialist, you know, so they can really test my hair, tell me what to use, because the hair is brittle, guys. It's as dry as my eczema skin. Anyways, we're gonna be doing our hair today. Like I said, I didn't want to go to cricket. Either way, it's been raining, so it sounds like they're gonna postpone it. Cricket should have started from 2:30 p.m. today, and I just spoke with my cousin. It's after 6 o'clock and it hasn't started yet. So I'm guessing based on the rain, it's not gonna happen. And remember, rain only stops cricket. Rain only stops cricket. So I'm assuming, you know, it's gonna be postponed or whatever. But I'm gonna stay home tonight, Saturday, finish up my hair. Tomorrow I do have a birthday thing to attend to. I'll be going to Jangas, the owner of Jangas. He has it having his birthday event, so you know, it's invitation on there, whatever. So I have that up on the agenda today. But now tonight we're just gonna finish our hair. I have some sliced fish. I'm gonna add that, pop that in the air fryer. And I have green banana. I'm gonna boil those. I think I have around 6 green bananas, so I'm gonna boil everything because tomorrow is Sunday. I can have that for Sunday dinner too, so I'm gonna boil that. I went to the supermarket this morning. I did not bring you guys. I should have, and I should have picked up a sweet potato, but I didn't. But yeah, I grabbed a cereal. When I'm finishing, you know what, let me go for the cereal and I want to show you guys. Yeah, so I grabbed this Kellogg's special cereal. I hope you guys can see me. Yeah, so it's, remember, I need something that makes sense for what's going on with my body right now. So it says it has fiber and it's made with real strawberries. I wish they had the one with the berries, because based on my search, they said blueberries is good too for fibroids. But I got this. I know someone had commented too and told me which cereal I should try, but I forgot. But I picked up this one. It's crunchy wheat and rice flakes with real strawberries, so which is good. And then it says good source of fiber, and fiber is what I need. So I'm gonna try this. Hope I like it. I am really, see, they had the blueberry here, but they didn't have any in the supermarket that I went, and I saw them with the vanilla and almond. Yeah, I hope I like it. I haven't tried it yet. So maybe tomorrow morning I'll have this for breakfast and hopefully it works out for the girl. But we're gonna jump into finishing my hair. It's gonna take like a long while. Hold on. It's gonna take a long while because remember it's sewing and I just started and I'm actually, oh, by the way, I did braid my hair, you guys. So I didn't really video it because I think I did a video showing you the last hairstyle I did. So I don't, this is not really a hair vlog, but yeah, I don't know what I don't know what my channel is all about. My channel is just like literally real life reality, me living my life, like nothing thingy. Oh, you see this? I had a yogurt. I had my yogurt. Oh my god, it does taste good. Yogurt tastes so awful, but I have to eat it. Yeah. It tastes okay, but it's just not my thing. But I purchased it, so I ensured that I gotta eat it. So I have to get into yogurt. Yogurt is very healthy for us women too. So this is really great yogurt. It's fruit salad. So it wasn't bad, but like it's not my thing. But I will be purchasing more because it's a form of healthy living. Anyways, I'm starting to sweat. Oh, I just remembered. So Jamaica had an entire blackout last night. Like literally no one had light in the entire island. Well, people have solar generators, of course, but separate apart from that, light, we were dark last night. So I was home in my couch and then boom, light went away like after 9, I think 5 minutes past 9 p.m. in the night last night. My light came back 3 a.m. like 2 minutes to 3 a.m. my light came back, guys. I thought that it was just a community outage. When I got out this morning, because when I got up, when the light came back and my fan came on, right, I jumped up and I was like, oh, thank God. And I went straight, I opened my phone, look at the time and close it back. I didn't check any message, I didn't go on a social media, nothing. When I saw the time was almost 3 a.m., I'm like, I'm not opening my phone. If I go into my phone, then I'm not gonna go to sleep. So I was like, I'll check my phone in the morning for messages or whatever. When I got out this morning, it was being said that it's an entire outage. It was island-wide outage, y'all. And I was super shocked because I thought it was just a community thing, an area thing, But apparently the entire island was all just thingy, light. Like it was so hot last night, guys. Like so hot. I am super thankful I had like a handheld fan and I laid in the couch, put the handheld fan on my center table there, and that's when I lied on. Like at one point in time, my back started sweating. I had to turn on my side. Like it was a whole ordeal last night. Like I know a lot of people probably did not even have a handheld fan or whatever. People with babies too. Like I could not imagine like lights. Just the light just went away sudden. Like 6 hours without light. That's like an entire day in the nighttime on a Friday. And then the rain started the rain started last night too. So I don't know. It was just a whole ordeal last night. Anyways, we're gonna jump into doing our hair. I'm gonna just do a little more roll, then I'm gonna pause and put on my green banana because once my hair is finished, I just wanna go eat. I think I'm gonna eat first and shower then relax. But based on how hungry I am, I'm really feeling for some fast food, but I'm gonna eat what I got. It's raining, I'm not going outside. I totally would eat a pizza right now, like I'm not okay. But anyways, we're having banana. Oh, I have kalaloo fish, so we're having banana, kalaloo, and fish, and we're gonna also have that for dinner tomorrow. Anyways, let's jump into finishing our hair. Let's pray it finishes by 3 hours time. I got no reason to be sad. My mood is convinced with every emotion that I had. But you don't. So my hair is all done. Well, it's not quite finished as yet. I do have the center part to complete, and I will be using the crochet needle to do that. Now, I really can't see what's going on right now because I don't have proper lighting, and I could go into the bathroom and do it, but I'm not gonna lie, guys, I am starved. It is moving on to 11 p.m. in the night. What time did we start? What, 7, 6, whatever the case is. Yeah, and I've been like, I have not been consistent with doing my hair tonight. Like, I'm stopping, I'm watching real shorts movies, so you know you have to watch the ad, and I've just been doing like a whole lot of stuff. But I am loving the hair. Hope you guys love it too. I know this is Bernie's curl. If you guys don't know, I bought this hair from Judene's Hair, Judene here on Instagram. She is also, if you're in Kingston, Jamaica, she's also behind, if you know the transport center in Hampshire, she's also behind, she's in that plaza across from the transport center on Eastwood Park Road. No, this is not raw bundles. It's not. I think it was 12 grade here or something like that. I had purchased it from her when she had a sale. No, if you go back through all my videos, if you see a curly hair looking like this, it is this. I have reused this hair so much time, and look at the curls. The curls are still there. The hair is not plucked, it's not nothing. And when I do wet it, you know, the curls are the quality here is so good, and she's super reasonable. So I did tell myself I'm gonna repurchase some Burmese, another 2 packs from her, because I did only bought 2 bundles. This is 2 bundles in my hair, guys. I only bought 2 bundles from her. It's not 3 bundles, and I still have hair level 1. Can you believe that? So yeah, I'm gonna buy another 2 set just to, you know, have like brand new hair in my head and put this down for reuse. Of course, I'm gonna buy 2 more bundles from her, and I'm also gonna try her kinky curly hair. I really want to try that hair. So yeah, this is the look. And tomorrow when we're going to eat, I'm gonna fix it up. I'm gonna finish the center tomorrow, but like I said, I'm starving right now. No, the next thing, I did not put on the banana nor put the fish in the fryer. We're just gonna leave that for tomorrow. I just remember I have like a fish in the fridge with some bread. So I'm gonna have that, and I have callaloo. So that's what I'm just gonna reheat in the microwave. So I don't have to do any cooking right now. I'm so glad. At this point in time, rain is still falling. Rain been falling, drizzling from day. I know it's night and the rain is still going on. It's a whole weekend of rain we're getting tonight. This weekend, I should say. You know, when you use extension here. Wait, I feel like this is a little bit higher. What do you guys think? I'm looking in the mirror right now, and why this side looks a little bit higher than this. But it's okay. It just needs to be trimmed up properly and all of that nonsense. But I don't want to trim it anymore. I'll trim this here each time I put it in. And these are the longer bundles are at the bottom. I should have actually put them in the center so I don't have to like cut it anymore. But anyways, guys, there is so much hair going on in my living room area, so I'm gonna have to remove everything, sweep up the hair, and then I'm gonna wipe. I'm actually gonna wipe. I did not wipe this week, and it's the end of the week, so the girl needs to wipe right now. So I'm gonna wipe. Once I'm finished wiping, I'm gonna add my food, pop my food in the microwave, shower. Then when I come out, I start the microwave, and by the time I get dressed and all cozy to have my dinner, the food will be hot and ready for me. So let's jump into cleaning our whole mess that we just did.
Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear.
Guys, I'm sweating. As you can see, I'm sweating. So I wiped the entire house. I need to do a little tidying up in my room. I need to change the sheet, but I'm not gonna do that tonight, guys, because I am tired and I'm hungry. It's moving on to midnight, and I had a bun and cheese today, and I had the yogurt today. Oh my god, that's the only thing I had today. Oh, and I had cereal since then. So I tested the Kellogg cereal. I like it. So I'll definitely be buying that and trying the other flavors as well. Anyways, we're gonna just quickly pop our food in the microwave, and well, I'm gonna tie up a little, pop the food in the microwave. I'm gonna shower. Like, look at me, I'm sweating. Like, oh my god, guys, I am super tired. Anyways, we'll chat later. Guys, let me just say it is 12:20 a.m. in the morning, so it's a brand new day. So I'm gonna tell you guys happy Sunday from now because it's a new day. Oh my god, the weekend is done. Like, every time I see Saturday afternoon hits, I'm like, yeah, the weekend is over, literally over. First of all, my house smells like fish because I'm heating up the fish in the microwave. No, I think somewhere in research or on the internet, they did say that microwaves aren't really safe to use. So eventually I will be changing out my microwave for a toaster oven. That way my house ain't gotta smell so crazy, because with the toaster oven you can wrap your stuff in foil. You can't use foil in microwave. That's number one. So having like a toaster oven is so easy. You can put plates in it, like you can use the foil paper to wrap your stuff and heat it. It's a little bit more safe, you know what I'm saying? So we will be adding that to our long list of items to buy. The next thing I wanted to talk to you guys is we will be launching a new series, and it's called Life in My 30s. Now, I need to get into the algorithm, so what I'm gonna be doing is trying to stick within like a I don't know, but I'm just gonna test the algorithm with what I'm gonna do. So each in my title, I'm gonna name it Life in My 30s. It's basically, I won't really be changing anything that I normally do. Like, this is me, authentic, real. Like, this is what I do. I'm at home, I go out. Like, so nothing really is just gonna change. It's just regarding the title and try to center it around life in my 30s, center it around my health. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I do have fibroids, so I have been eating quite healthy from last year. I have cut out sugar completely. I won't say completely, but I don't cook with sugar. I don't use sugar in my tea. Once I'm drinking tea, tea, it's mostly green tea that I drink, because if you don't know, green tea is good for fibroids. So that's mainly the tea that I drink, green tea, and I don't have sugar at all. I just drink it just that, or when I steep the tea bag, I drink it just that, or sometimes if I for honey, I add honey into it. And then I also have another tea that I purchased that should help with, that journey. So I'll be focusing the channel regarding, fiber journey, what I eat. If you also don't know, one thing with me as well, I work from home, I work remotely. So I do work from home 24/7. So that's also, I'll be incorporating more stuff that I eat. I think you guys have seen this also. If you do follow my TikTok or Instagram, you guys will probably see story. I post on stories very often. So if I don't show my dinner in vlogs, you guys will possibly see it in the stories. And you know what? I'm gonna start posting it on my community post too. So I need to start taking still pictures, like pictures, instead of like be doing videos only, right? So that's another thing. Yeah, so I really do eat healthy as it relates to, I don't eat white bread anymore. I only eat brown bread. Well, white rice, yeah. So brown bread, white rice, white bread. I cut off white rice. I don't eat. Let me change that a bit. I only eat white rice if like I'm outside having dinner or something along that line. But as it relates to in my house, I do not buy a lot of stuff. Bread, I have cut off bread, but I do eat brown bread every now and then. I rarely buy bread. And the bread that I buy is only brown, of course. And I also did find a brand new bread, well, new to me, in Mega Mart. Is like a vegan bread. So for all my vegans out there, persons on their healthy journey, want to eat healthy, Mega Mart has this vegan bread. It's in one of my vlogs, so I won't be able to find a picture of it right now. So if you do, start watching my previous vlogs to get a vibe on me and just see what I do, and then somewhere in that vlog the bread will be shown, because I did show it. So many things I've cut off. Chicken, limit, mostly fish. Red meat, I will limit that completely. I am a stew-piece girl, and it really irks me sometimes when I just don't want to cook it. So I only eat it outside the road, or if I really, really feel for it, I'm gonna cook it. Steak, all of those stuff. So the red meat, I have limit all of that. So yeah, the journey is been real. The journey is expensive. Right now I want salmon, and let's just say I ain't gonna spend no money to buy no salmon. We can do the salmon in the can. But the wild caught salmon, they can do a $5,000 right now for that. But it's on our to-do list to buy, because I haven't had it in a while, and I need to add that in my routine as well. Anyways, I'm getting a pounding headache right here. I have to stop talking, but I hope you guys, this is the start of the life in the 30s. Ow! Hold on. Darn it. Yeah, this is the start of the life in the 30s video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this journey with me. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Thumbs up the video. And yeah, we're gonna jump into our food. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, let me show you my dinner. I'm just gonna put on the screen, show you a video of my dinner. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh my god, the headache is coming. It's just because I read, you know what, I should be having some tea right now. Hey guys, happy Sunday. What's up? So I'm finally finished with my hair. I finished like the middle part of it, so it looks very uniform and doesn't look like crazy. There's something about it. I don't know if I like how it, I don't know, I guess because it's like completely blowed out right now and I don't, I did not like fix it, meaning add water and conditioner to it. So maybe that's like, it just look kind of crazy, but I don't know. It's not fitting my face this way because it's not all the time like I'm gonna wet it to activate the curls. I want to wear it like free flowing like this. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's not fitting the shape of my head. I don't know why. I don't know why. Tell me. Tell me. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at the camera. Looking at the mirror at the same time. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Also, I don't even really want to, maybe it needs to trim off, but I'm looking at the, as you can see here, probably it's a little bit too high. What I actually did when I was sewing in, so I think the first 2 rows here, they are doubled. Normally when you're doing like the front part of your hair, it's better to not double it and just do it single, so it looks a little bit flatter. So maybe the double is the problem. My hair is a little bit wide, but I'm just gonna wear it. It will grow on me, and it better grow on me because I don't know what else to do with my hair. I have no idea what else to do with my hair. I'm gonna need to buy crochet hair to figure it out. But I'm just here combing the ends out. By the way, guys, this hair is shedding like crazy. And when I bought it and started using it for the first few times, it was never shedding this crazy. So I think it's like it's reaching a big max, and it's shedding horrible once I comb it. Horrible, it's shedding. But the quality is still size. I know when I like activate the curl, there we go. Not a lot of hair coming out though. I know when I activate the curls, the curls are gonna look. But we should do a test. Let's do a test to see if it's gonna come back. This is conditioner and water. Let's do a test. Okay, you guys see that? It's not like fully, the curls are not tiny anymore, but see, it's still curled. So I told y'all, decent quality hair for decent pricing, and it's not raw bundles. So yeah, when I'm heading out, I did tell you guys yesterday that I should be going to a birthday party at Janga's today. The sun is out right now, which is super good, but based on the forecast, it's supposed to be raining all weekend. So I don't know if it's going to be raining again. I don't know if it's going to be raining again tonight. If it does, that you guys know I'm going to stay in. But I don't know, this hair is giving. I need to take a thumbnail. No, I probably need to take a thumbnail now just in case I need not go because of the rain. I'm gonna use this olive oil super moisturizing daily lotion. I'm just gonna use this. Oh, I think my hair looks good. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to trim it up. Just gonna use this, it smells really good. It smells really good. See where the top is flattened? Yeah. I'm not liking how my head shape looks in this hair though. So I may have to wear it. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? Like, I don't know. Maybe it's not centered properly. Yeah, but I was the one that parted. Is it centered? I don't really think I see what I'm talking about, but I know like how I like when I do my hair, how I want my face to shape, and it's not giving. It's not giving. Maybe I need to wear a side part. Let's try a side part and see. What do you guys think? I don't know. We'll figure it out though. We'll figure it out. Yeah, this actually looks better. Hold on, guys. This actually looks better. Yeah, this, yeah, yeah. This shape fits my face. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah. But how am I gonna? So right here, the track is showing, so I'm gonna have to crochet the track to cover here and here in order for me to wear it this way. But this feels more like me. So I need to figure it out. Yeah. All right, let's go back to the middle. But for sure, I'm not feeling the center part at all. It's not giving. It's not giving, guys. It's not giving. But in the interim, we're gonna let's stop talking about what's here on the agenda for it right now. I need to paint my toenails because I'm going out. I'm gonna wear sandals today, so I'm gonna wear a wedge actually. I'm gonna actually dress up. So I'm gonna need to paint my toenails. I'm gonna change the sheets on my bed. I'm gonna wipe my closet door. It's looking kind of dusty and stuff, so I'm gonna wipe that. I'm gonna wipe the doors too. So my doors, as you can see, my doors are creamish color, and you know, at some point in time, you're gonna see the dirt on it. So I'm gonna wipe these doors, change the sheets on my bed, wipe the closet doors, and that's it. So let's jump into like a mini cleaning today. It's not really a cleaning vlog really, but you know, this is how my Sunday's going. I am burning up, guys. Okay. I am burning up. I'm gonna twist this to get it out of my way since I'm gonna be doing a little small mini cleaning. And once I'm done cleaning and stuff, I need to also cook. I took the fish out of the freezer, so I also need to jump into cooking. So, oh my god, look at the floor. And I wiped and swept last night. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean up this bathroom. There's a lot of hair on the floor. I'm not feeling like I want to wet this up. I like this crazy vibe. Anyways, we figure until later. I'm gonna tell me what's gonna think though. But the middle part was not giving. So y'all tell me what to think. I need y'all to talk to me. We have finished spread the bed and do the doors and stuff. We're gonna jump into cooking right now because it is moving on to 2:30 something in the afternoon. Like, I can't believe it. Anyways, I did tell you guys what's on the agenda for today's dinner. We're gonna do cabbage. We have Brussels sprouts, and we're gonna do string beans, and then we're gonna pop the sliced fish in the air fryer. So that's what we have for today. I'm gonna jump into cooking because there's not really much time. I haven't painted my nails yet, so I'm gonna just quickly chop these up, put them. I'm just gonna do I'm gonna do everything separately. The Brussels sprouts, I'm gonna boil it I'm just gonna boil it a little bit and then pop it in the air fryer. I like when it's a little bit crispy, and I add honey with my Brussels sprouts too. So that's gonna go in the air fryer with the fish. But I need to cut out these string beans right now. The ends are on them, and that's gonna jump it up. Don't think I'll be able to. I'm not gonna be videoing how I'm cooking my dinner today because just the time is running out, and I just want to go lie down. I'm not gonna lie. I have YouTube videos to watch. I saw Empress uploaded a video. But I think I watched that already. Yeah, I haven't responded yet because it's on my TV. It's on my TV, so once I'm home, most of the times I watch my videos on TV, and I do connect my phone to the TV so I can comment via my phone, but sometimes I don't do that. So I actually need to go back on our video and drop a comment. I can like the video though from my TV, but I can't comment. What's this? Let me tell you guys have to wash your vegetables like good. Like the other day when I was using some of this Brussels sprouts, I cut it and bam, there was a worm in it. It's like we have to be careful with our veggies. We have to wash them. You gotta wash them. Anyways, I'm gonna jump into cooking, and I'll chat to you guys later. So it is 3:47. Wait, let me show you guys because I'm not lying. I have a story to tell you. So 3:57. You see? 3:57. My friend, who is a male, sends me a message. Well, I sent them a message and told them something. Then they responded in saying, "Okay, will you be ready for 4 o'clock? Like 4 o'clock, we're heading out." And I'm like, 4 o'clock? What do you mean? You told me later it's 6 or 7 p.m. for the birthday event. You didn't tell me nothing about 4 o'clock. And I was like, "Oh, I won't be able to make it." He told me this an hour before 4 o'clock. It's 3:47 now. So he told me 2:50 something when I sent him a text. So basically, it's just an hour. I was like, "I'm not gonna make it." And he was like, "Oh," he's basically saying he's sorry or whatever. He didn't know, and it was somebody else who messaged him to say, "Hey, what time you're going?" And he told him 6-7, and the person said, "Hey, no, it's an earlier time." So yeah, but I'm still cooking. My fish is in the air fryer. The fish and the Brussels sprouts is in the air fryer. So I'm definitely gonna eat before I head out. But in the interim, I'm gonna do my lashes. I haven't done lashes in ages, so I thought let me do some lashes. The hair is done, and I'm gonna fix up my eyebrows. I've been doing my eyebrows for probably almost going to a year right now. The last person that I used to do my eyebrows, he migrated, and when it comes down to my eyebrows, I'm very strict and I don't like just go to any and anybody. The last time I actually did that live, I'm telling you a lie. So my barber migrated, and I tried my mother's person who she used, and my eyebrows are normally like this. He left my eyebrow like this after he finished a string. I can't even show you, like a single string. That's how he left my eyebrows, and he was like, "Oh, I can grow back." I say, "You." So after that, I decided to do my brows myself, and I have been doing it and shaping it up, and that's what I like, and that's what we're gonna stick to. Anyways, I'm gonna jump into doing my eyes. I feel like I should wash my face again, but I'm gonna wash my face after I shower again, so it doesn't even matter. Anyways, let me jump into doing my brows. Then we're gonna eat, and in the interim while I'm doing my brows, I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I want to wear heels for sure, but I just need to figure out what exactly I want to wear. So let me start. Let me start thinking about that in the interim. And I got my fan here to cool me down in the interim because the bathroom is still. This is a fan I told you guys when the light went away Friday night. This is the fan that helps me throughout the night. Oops, the eyebrow fell, the lash fell, and I don't even have a lot. Bloody hell. This is so noisy, y'all can't go get me. Y'all, the bathroom is so hot. Okay, so I'm finished. I just did something like very minimal. The remaining lashes that I have, they're too tall. The 12, 14, 16, they're way too tall. So I only use 8 and 10. Yeah, so... Oh my God. Give me a minute. Oh, I'm going to turn on the AC. Anyway, I'm gonna have to do that when I'm getting ready because the heat is crazy. The sun is out and it's like it's getting dark. It's gonna get dark. It's a rain time fall, so I'm not gonna even hurry up and try and get ready because to be outside when rain falling is like not a good thing. Even though the location has a little covering, but not the entire area is covered. Anyways, I need to fix my brows, so when I'm gonna get ready, I'll just checking back with you guys. So I wanted to just get into the fit and show you guys. I'm heading out right now. It's literally 5:40, so I am still late, which obviously I would have been late. Anyways, I figured the issue with my hair is because I can't remember the inches that I bought, but the inches are different, right? So that's why it's looking all choppy and etc. So I really probably should have put I don't know, but I know why it's looking like that. I should have probably found, I don't know, you know what? It's just the lengths are different, so that's why it looks all choppy and whatever. But I may probably just gonna have to cut off these to just make it look a little bit thingy. But it's wet and all of that, and it's looking good. This is the fit. I don't know what I'm wearing. The shoes is MK. The tights is Primark. The top, I have no idea. I've had it for years. So this is the fit that we're heading out to this birthday event. And I will see you guys once I'm at the event. It's a bad decision. I hope you guys can see me. I'm driving. Turn on the music. Yeah, the girl gonna have to cut the hair. We're gonna have to cut it to let it look more like a, uniform in such a sense. But I like it, and the makeup is given. I feel pretty. I haven't worn I can't remember when last I went out, and then last I wore makeup. I can't recall at all. Anyways, I'm tired. Now I'm feeling the tiredness on me. Right now, I'm feeling the tiredness, guys. But we heading to the spot. I hope there's food left because it's a birthday thing. Like I said, it's the owner of Janga's Bar. If you live in Kingston, Janga's Bar. It's a lounge bar. Very chill hangout spots. They have different activities throughout the week. So yeah, I probably would have missed the food because I heard that my friend said it's 2 o'clock they start, and then they said they were gonna go at 4 when he told me earlier. So, and it's 5:53 right now. So I gave you the time wrong, and I was getting dressed. So, well, it was to 6, but no, it's 5:53. That's what my car is saying. But yeah, the makeup is given. I'm not gonna lie, but this big ass bump right here. Need to get rid of that pimple.
Rest in peace, Chester Parade. Jump on this one.
So it's 10:44 in the night. It's currently raining and I'm on my way home. I am not tired, but I'm feeling kind of peckish. My friend stopped at a place. I didn't want to buy any food. I have cereal at home, so I figured I'll just have cereal when I get in. And while I was in the party, guys, the party was so good. I didn't even show you guys the food. There was curry goat, there was shrimp, there was jerk chicken, rice. Best of all, it was a whole meal. Listen, there are about 20 police right this line up. That's crazy. 20 police line up around the corner. So anybody where I come around, they gotta stop them. What does I say? Let me hurry up and talk because I know my thing is rattling. Yeah, so the food was good, the party was good. I wonder if I should stop here and buy a plantain. No, I don't want to buy anything in the night. And that looks like banana, they have enough plantain. But anyways, we are gonna head home, drink our cereal. While I was in the party, there was a Netflix series that popped up. I can't remember the name of it, but they said limited series. And when I looked at it, it said 3 or 4 episodes. So I'm gonna start that tonight. I'm gonna start that tonight before I go to bed. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. The hair is growing on me, but I still need to trim it up and get rid of the length, basically. Yeah, appreciate you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video somewhere else. I don't know where.